Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about training the mind. Yoga Nidra indicates sleep with a trace of awareness. It is a frame of mind in between wakefulness and dream. When you practice Yoga Nidra, you are opening the deeper phases of your mind. At this minute, your intellectual mind is operating. However, when you have the ability to relax, the subconscious and unconscious levels of the mind open. If you practice Yoga Nidra, then the nature of your mind can be changed, illness can be treated, and your creative genius can be brought back. The subconscious and the unconscious mind are the most powerful forces in the human being. This simple practice of Yoga Nidra has the capacity of penetrating into the depths of the human mind. The subconscious mind is a very loyal disciple, and right away performs the orders that you put to it. If you understand how to practice Yoga Nidra, you can train your subconscious mind entirely. Then the ordinary mind and intelligence will follow suit.